Today, we're going to show you how to make your very own solar-powered rover. Inside the kit, you'll find a quick start guide and all your components, including solar cells, googly eyes, self-sticking motors, foam tape pieces, rover template cards, and a roll of 1/4-inch maker tape. You'll provide your own scissors, some transparent tape, and crayons, markers, or colored pencils. First, get one of the template cards. Then, color it in with your favorite colors. Do this on both the front and the back of the card. And lastly, cut out all 3 parts. Now we'll assemble the solar circuit. You will need to connect the motor wires to the solder points on the solar cell. Peel the backing from the self-stick motor and stick it to the underside of the solar cell. Cut 2 small pieces of maker tape and use them to tape down the motor wires onto the silver-colored solder points. Take a piece of double-sided foam tape and peel the backing off one side. Stick it down to the underside of the solar cell. Either horizontal or vertical is fine. To test, go outside and face the solar cell towards direct sunlight. You'll feel the motor start vibrating. Now that we know the circuit works, we'll assemble it onto the rover. Peel the remaining backing off the foam tape and press the entire solar circuit in place on top of the rover so that it sits over the printed rectangle. Flip it over and get 6 self-adhesive googly eyes. Remove the backer and place them as feet on the bottom of the rover. Bend the gripper and sensor array cutouts on the dotted lines. Tape the sensor array on the top of the cutout. And tape the gripper array on the bottom. Your solar rover assembly is complete, and it's ready for action. Place it on a smooth surface in direct sunlight and watch it go. Congratulations, you just built your own solar-powered rover to explore strange new worlds. The Solar Rover Kit by Brown Dog Gadgets.